Hey, what's going on, all my crypto hodlers and traders? Hopefully you all survived these past couple weeks in the crypto markets with this total wreckage that happened. Uh, so we get straight into it with Bitcoin. This is a 4 hour here. Got a little downward sloping channel. Wicked out of it. This was the worst. This was the lowest low that happened on the 19th. I think that was Friday, and we kind of recovered from that. We tried to pump up a little high. That next candle was our highest high after that so far. I think we got to almost 43,000. Then we started to come back down and look a little bit of a double bottom on the wicks. I like to do the closest on the body of the candles, right here. But I was hoping we were gonna get a double bottom right here. That would have been so lovely if these would have, got us our double bottom, even though it's a little lower on the second one. But with these wicks now, because wicks are still, full price action, they still count. So I just don't like them as much. But we could potentially have a double bottom here on Bitcoin. And now we're just trying to break past the resistances of 38,000. We broke out of this channel, which was very good. I saw immediate price action to 38,500, which is now kind of where we've been floating at. We closed the previous candle at 39,644. So we came down $1,000 since then to come down and back test this 38.5 area. And then if we can hold this and use it as support, we'll be making our way to 42K, which is another high resistance zone, because that is our all-time high, or not all-time high. That's one of the highs on the run-up before we had that crash down to like 28K here back in January. Which again, you can almost see we almost have the same exact double bottom going on with the wicks here. See how it's a little higher low on the double bottom, and then you have this one, same thing. You got a little higher low on that double bottom there, and then a V-shaped recovery pretty much right here. Almost the same exact thing is happening right here now on this new drop. This was probably gonna happen no matter what, but what really accelerated it, which was right here, is when Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla is no longer accepting Bitcoin because of the high energy usage, which it's like, dude, come on. Bitcoin uses a lot of energy. Like, that's just something you had to know getting into this. What's up, Brian? Just got that rocket ship out, baby. So yeah, Elon really just accelerated the sell-off. It was probably going to happen. Market was very over-leveraged. That's why you get such high market caps, because the market is so leveraged that it just obviously adds to the market cap. So Elon sell-off, and then we go down, 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 down. And also, you can tell we have a little bit of Wyckoff distribution going on. It's almost the pattern to a T. Like, it's almost Wyckoff to a T, which I believe we capitulated, and now we should hopefully start making our way back up. But there's a lot of work to do. I'm glad we got past this high right here from this low, this little swing. It's good to be back above that. Now we're testing pretty much this whole area as support. So if we can hold that, we're definitely going to 42K. After that, you'll probably see 55K. But there also is some little bit of resistance along the way, like this little zone. You could probably count as resistance at like 49K, 50K. So yeah, 50K. We'll just put 50. Which is also pretty much touching the bottom here too. Yeah, I just really noticed this double bottom right here. Yeah, we're going back to the moon, Jason Shy. I hope so. Hopefully it's not just like 2017 20K, come down back up to like 16K, then back down. So hopefully it's not like 65K, go down back up to 55K, and then back down. I hope we're not in a bear market. Everybody, Willy Woo, you know, all the names, big names out there are saying this is not a bear market yet. Data Dash. I also believe we're in the middle of a two-phase cycle that we have going on, which is this is the beginning, and normally what happens in the second phase is when you see that 5x movement. But I don't think we're gonna get 5x out of Bitcoin. Maybe 100K if it all goes cool, but goes well. 70K. Everyone's got the laser eyes for the 100K though. Yeah, lots of news with Elon today too as well. He said that him and Michael Saylor hosted an interview with Elon Musk, and hope my music volume's good if anyone in the chat is listening can tell me, but Michael Saylor hosted an interview with Elon and the North American Bitcoin miners, and they're working on ways to get some better energy usage instead of using like coal, you know, as their power source, so we get less emissions and all that good stuff. So Elon tweeted earlier, he's been talking to them. Don't hear music. Why is there no music? I had it working earlier today, and now it's not working. What is wrong with this? I didn't change one setting. Let me get this, check this here. It should be playing. It's at my things saying it's playing. One second. That's weird. I don't get this. I hear static. Huh. Let me change a setting here real quick. Audio. Well, you shouldn't be able to hear it because there should be music playing. Man, this thing is... I had it working earlier. I even had someone test it out with me, and it was working. YouTube and OBS, man, I'll tell you. Yeah, music's playing. Is that playing? Now? There it is. Oh, there we go. Somehow, okay, something, okay, yeah. Is it too loud? Oh, okay, something. Is it too loud? Sweet, cool. right. It's quiet. Turn it up a little bit. All right, back on track. So, wow, Bitcoin's 39K almost again. Sweet. So yeah, Elon Musk. Not you good. Elon Musk, Michael Saylor, North American Bitcoin miners. Big things happening. He said very promising stuff. And immediately after that, I believe that's when we saw like this pump right here is what happened. The 39.6, 39.8. 39.8 was the high. And now we're working our way back up, which is cool. Hopefully we keep up on this. Now the music's louder than me. Jeez. Dude, I'm telling you, man. I didn't touch a thing earlier and I had it working perfect. I quit the app and come back in and it ain't working. Should be good now. Yeah, markets went to the moon today. I mean, look at this. Matic. Well, wow. Everything kind of reset now already. But earlier in the day, Matic was up about 100%. I think it was 100%. And Rune was up like 53%. I mean, the whole market just exploded today. It's a real good day for crypto. Nobody probably had any positions open besides their hodls, and that's just what you do. You can't be, there was no edge. I mean, you don't want to be opening positions just because, you want to make sure there's at least one or two indicators saying we're going to be moving up, which the biggest one to me was this double bottom, and hopefully it would hold, and it did. But yeah, the market literally exploded today. It was like everything earlier today was 50s, 40s, 30% up. Just if you did luckily have a position open, you made some pretty good money today. Either way, your hodls 50% up too, but nothing compared to the 60% dump we've seen. Or yeah, I didn't go from the top, but yeah. It's like you dump 60%, go up 50. Why aren't you back at your top yet? Well, because you're going 50% up from a lower number and 60% down from a higher number, which is going to be obviously a big difference there. Shiba to 100K, to 10K. Yeah, Shiba, the Doge killer. Matic was going nuts. We'll take a look at that here right after we look at Ethereum. Oh, look at this guy's chart. Too much going on. So Ethereum from its all-time high down to its low, you're still at over a 60% discount. Over 60%. Right? Because that's a 382. That's 60% from the one. Yeah. Why don't I think that's right? 40%. Why isn't that matching up? It's not even at the 382 yet. Interesting. Oh, it must be going from the bottom. It must be 40% up from the bottom. First, yeah. Yeah, that's right. It goes from the bottom, not the top. Yeah, Ethereum is sitting at a resistance right here, which I believe goes back to just nothing. This right here, this little high in this this run up little area here, which was the April, and it's now stuck at 2650. Which it kind of like perfectly is testing in between this zone here, which it's the high here and the high here on that little swing right there. So we're kind of staying in this zone. Hopefully we stay at the top range of it and start to make our way up and get to this 382 fib, which yeah, I don't see that mattering as much as this 2888. which would actually just be 3K. I don't know why I have 2888 there. It might be on a different time scale that I have that there. Oh, it's from the D from this thing, harmonic that never happened. So 3K is your next target if it breaks out at 2650, which anything above 2600 is pretty good on Ethereum. Look at that RSI just mooning back above neutral, good. Back in bullish territory on the RSI. 60% off coops, yeah. Now go to Matic, which was unreal today. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Is my internet broke? Is my internet not working? I just had issues with my internet and now it's doing it again. Come on. Come on, Comcast. So Matic today on the daily, look at that. Look at that. At one point it was literally up 85% on this chart. 85% on, yeah. CoinMarketCap had it at like 99 at one point. Very unprofessional. My bad. Blame Comcast, not me. But yeah, Matic went on a tear today. Look at that. Just engulfed. All the selling just got ate up today. Just ate it all up. All that selling. And you're working on some. Look at this. Look at this on the daily. Oh boy. Matic is about to go higher. Matic is about to run higher. You have daily hidden bullish divergence on Matic. Look at that. Low here with the higher low with more negative momentum. Once this starts playing out on the daily, you're probably going to see yourself back at 250-ish, the top of these. You'll probably see yourself back up here very shortly if Bitcoin doesn't shit the bed. Yeah, Matic is just killing it lately. It is number 15 on CoinMarketCap now. It's been doing things these past weeks. Just look at that run up it had. Boom. Once it broke $1, it said see you at 250. Hidden bullish divergence. RSI back above neutral. It barely, I guess it touched neutral. Look how overbought it was though. Yeah, look at that overbought. You knew a sell-off was coming on that. But that it just accelerated because of the news. On the 4 hour again, nice V-shaped recovery. Wow, Matic, that's insane. Here's a little, here's your support at $1.50. So it might come back down to test the $1.50 as support. Just looking at this chart on the daily with the bullish hidden divergence, if it does come back at $1.50, it might be a good long position if it tests this $1.50 again. That's what you want to see. You want to see it confirm this $1.50 as support. That'd be a pretty good trade setup. Because the daily higher time scale, more reliable indicator. 4 hours, just nothing really on the MACD. It's already going up. Yeah. Let's take a peek at Hex. This thing is just on the verge of exploding. Hex is gonna explode here very soon. Yeah, a massive falling wedge. Look at all this volume that came in because Richard Hart is making a new blockchain called Pulse Chain, and people are buying up all the hex to dump it into the Pulse Chain to get the X coin. And pretty cool project. If you haven't seen it, look into it. Very, very cool. No energy used on that for transactions. It's like almost free transactions. Pretty good project. It's just on the verge of exploding here. It had just some normal divergence. It's actually, wow, look at that. It's actually neutral on the RSI with all this buying or just volume. Yeah, so if you get back above neutral too, that's just even making it a stronger case. And look at that, you came back down recently and back and tested this line, your wedge line. I had it up here, but I moved it down to here now because it wicked through it a little bit, but I like a little further. I like this line to be touching 2 points a little bit further apart than just right here, these two. But yeah, it's like if we can close in this next 3 minutes, when 8 o'clock rolls around, or whatever time zone you're in, this next 3 minutes, if we can close outside this wedge, we might be seeing some price action very soon, and it's just starting to get positive momentum building on the MACD. Yeah, I really like. And your target is the top of the range. And also what I did here was I went from the lowest point touching to the highest point touching, and then you move it outside here to where it's going to be breaking out of, and you get your target of 73 cents, which is pretty much putting you right back at the top of the channel because we came down so far already in the wedge. But you can also look at about $1 or $2 after that psychological resistance, maybe 75 cents. Well, yeah, 75 cents is already the target, but $1 after that psychological resistance. And if it's anything like ADA and Matic, it's going to 250. They both did the same thing. ADA breaks $1, goes to 250. ADA, well, it was a slow grind, but still 250. Boom. Matic 250. I mean, it's just crazy. I got a lot going on ADA's chart, ADA's chart. It perfectly double bottomed, like perfectly, both these zones right here, ADA. I think ADA is going to be huge. It's got a lot of stuff going on. They got the Africa project. They just launched their smart contracts. Yeah, big things for ADA. Big things. You can eventually see this back at $2 if Bitcoin keeps above 38.5K, starts making its way up to 42. You'll definitely see ADA at $2. Big day though in the markets, man. Big recovery, huge. Like, that was needed. Much needed. It's almost like that this sell-off happened. It's almost like we can go higher now. Like, it's almost confirming that you can go higher now. Why is that like a lopsided? But yeah, the sell-off was good, scary, but good. Hopefully you didn't panic sell and be trading with emotions, because if you are, go read Trading in the Zone by Michael Douglas, and don't trade with emotions. Wait for an edge, and then open your trade. Let me send out a tweet real quick. See if I can. back to it. Any coins anybody wants to see in the chat, just let me know. We'll take a peek at them. Rune at one point was up like 50-something%. Just a great rebound by the altcoins. I mean, it was solid. We just had a new day. Let's check Bitcoin. Go back real quick. Just got a new day. We closed above 38.5. Very nice. Now we're at 38.7. Looking good right now. Just got to stay above 38.5. Pushy. Sushi, yes. Yeah, Bitcoin. Just pray for Bitcoin, dude. That's what is the whole market. Sushi. I don't have much here. That's just nothing. Go to that. Yeah, a lot of these altcoins too went lower than the first initial sell-off, which really sucks. Now they just need to make a higher low. Start making some higher lows. Look at that though. The MACD just perfect downward. Sushi is back at neutral territory on the RSI. A little bit bullish. It's at like 50. It's just above 50. A little bit in the bullish territory. Great. Was oversold before, and look, right when it got oversold, immediate reversal on Sushi. Almost had a nice engulfing candle on that too, but it's okay. Hopefully we can get a bullish engulf on this. See, we're bouncing off this $12.50 resistance line, which goes back all the way to here. Just, you know, all this zone right here has a lot of confluence, a lot of price action in that area. Same with the $13. Yeah, $12.50 to $13 is a little zone you gotta break here. You break that, you're going to 15.75, which would be real cool. Man, Sushi was set up so nice here. 3 rising valleys. Hopefully you sold the top, but yeah, because it came down quick. It was ready to go. Sushi was ready to go to new all-time highs, which was 23.57. It was ready to just blow past that finally. Had a nice harmonic too that was just took forever to do anything, but then sold off. I don't know what happened here. April 17th. Was there a big sell-off on Bitcoin then? April 17th. Bitcoin, 39K. Let's go. April 17th. What happened? Yeah. What was this? What happened on this day? April 17th? Was it just a correction? I don't remember if there was any news-driven catalyst there. But yeah, Sushi. Man, Bitcoin, let's go. 39.1. This is what we need to see. We need to get to this 42K. It'd be really, really nice. 42K, then I'll probably see at 55K after that. But Sushi, yeah, I don't really see much of a pattern here. Just a resistance line it's got to break through. RSI is getting bullish. Yeah. Hopefully it can continue past the $22 zone and bust through 23.50. Be real nice to see Sushi at $30. But right now, from the high, previous swing high to the low, you're looking, it's it's barely even at the 382 already still, so still a good buy. Still on sale. Alpha at one point today or yesterday now. I mean, these altcoins just reacted. You look at that daily bullish engulf on Alpha. Look at that. Oh man. And we got some MACD with this. No, it'd just be normal divergence if this starts playing out. But the bullish engulf, very nice. I don't know if that would be classified as a Marubozu candle, Marubozu, or however you pronounce it. But Marubozu, I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but it's when you have very small wicks on your candles right next to each other, but this one's got a pretty deep wick here. But anyways, it's a bullish engulf. Hopefully we can continue upwards. We have a nice shark, bullish, what is that? That would be a bullish shark because the cipher is a 786. Yes, that is a bullish shark pattern, which went below the PCZ, and you would have been stopped out had you taken that trade. But it's still kind of hanging on. See, at 350 is the target, the final target, but the real target is the C, which is $2.52 on Alpha. Wow, it was at 250. Holy crap. Four-hour. Yeah, we already went over that. Cool. Uni chart. Check uni. It's mooning. Yeah. Man, that was scary. It got down to like 13 bucks. What was it? Yeah, $13. Uni hit 13 and 1 cent. 1 penny. Crazy. That's wow. Uniswap went from like $44 to $13, which actually is pretty cool. I just was using Uniswap today, and you don't have to pay $6 million to swap anymore. It was 20 bucks, so that was pretty nice. I've been getting into the pancake swap. I think that's like a couple bucks to do swaps, which is pretty cool. I can actually use Pancake and Uniswap now because the fees on Uni are minimal. Still 20 bucks, but not 150, which was crazy. Yeah, already bullishly engulfing the previous indecision candle, but the yeah, already bullishly engulfing it. See you at $27.50 to $28 on Uni. I'll see you there, and after that, see you at about 33. Hopefully, we can get back to this $44. Man, its high was $45, like exact. $44.92, all-time high. Uni will get to 50 sometime here soon. It's one of my biggest plays, Uni. Dot got absolutely destroyed. Jeez. Took a beating. I think this one went down 70%. Yeah. 73%. Dot went down. Let me take these volumes off. Yeah, Dot ended up going down 72 and 72.75%. Pretty crazy. Yeah, it got destroyed, but coming back. Had a nice candle there, hammer, bullish hammer. Then it was engulfed. Pretty nice. LTC also, Litecoin, destroyed. This got destroyed. 71%. Wow. Same thing as DOT. Hammer, engulfed, onward. V-shaped recovery. It's right above neutral territory in the RSI. Looking in the bullish area again. One of my never got stopped out yet. Cream. This is gonna lead you to the promised land. Cream is such a great setup. Harmonics back to back. Look at that. Boom, boom, harmonic. Even came down, I guess you could say it kinda back tested the PCZ of the D a little bit lower, but if you set your stop loss, you wouldn't have been stopped out. It like exactly hit it, or exactly, you know, right there. Pretty crazy. Now we're back at the entry level, and Cream, man, looks so good. This whole, look at that. I mean, it barely even sold off. 50%. I mean, compared to a lot of these others, I guess that's a lot, but that's going way back there too. From the swing right before the major sell-off, it only dropped 40%, which is pretty crazy. Cream got some good targets at 211, 272, and 350. So you can almost triple your money on this one if it hits all these targets. Great setup. I mean, back-to-back harmonics, just great. And it even tested this PCZ area. RSI just above neutral, along with like everything else. Pretty good. Looking pretty good here on Cream. Let's check the daily real quick. Yeah, bullishly engulfed the previous day. Now you actually have just some normal divergence, bullish divergence on the MACD, just that one little green island right there. But you do have bullish divergence developing with a engulfing candle of the previous day, so it's looking pretty good here on Cream. But on the daily, you're still in bearish territory on the RSI. But you did make a little higher low there in this, on that little peak. Any other coins? Link, Theta got destroyed too, man. Theta was already getting destroyed though. I mean, it hit like 13 bucks and was just going downhill after that. It did have a harmonic. Which was a I think, a bullish bat. Yes, it was a bullish bat. Tested the PCZ twice and failed because Bitcoin and Elon Musk wanted to dump on us. Ethereum's about to be hitting 27. Let's go. But yeah, Theta resistance at $7, and then you got resistance. Is there another harmonic in here? Is that a real one? 634 886 1618 786. It's not a formal harmonic, but it's an M pattern. It's not a true one, but yeah, you got some work to do, Theta. ETH, man, 2,700 incoming. You're about to hit the 382 fib at 2750. Lots going on in this dude's chart. Yeah, Ethereum is about to hit the 382 from the major sell-off here. That might be from its all-time high. Yeah, from the all-time high, actually, of like 4,400. Ethereum's looking good. Real good, man. Like, see how the first major sell-off and then you have a lower low here? Some of these alts didn't even do that. That's how strong they are. I don't think ADA did it. Yeah, ADA matched exactly that sell-off. Hex, it's been selling off, but yeah, it kept going lower. There's another coin that was very strong and didn't sell off. What was it? Doge? Doge didn't. It actually made a higher low here. Did I see Elon tweet? Which one? Did he make a new one? Did he just tweet again? I know he said he's looking for people to get developers on Doge for GitHub. He sent out a link and all that. I don't. Their most recent one is this meme he posted. Cryptocurrency bull run is over. What's next? Oh. What? Whoa. Get hair plugs. Move to Los Angeles. Cryptocurrency bull run is over. What's next? Get hair plugs. Move to LA. Sell your own online business course. Turn something obvious like always get 8 hours of sleep into a catchphrase. Sell 8 hours of sleep merch. Lease Mercedes G-Wagon. Crash into a ravine. Why did he do that? What's wrong with this guy? Wow. Wow, why? Someone hacked him, dude. He wouldn't do that. Well, thanks, Elon. Again. Jesus. Are we selling off now? Is it over? I hope he's being, what is that, facetious? Or, what is the word? When you mean something, but it actually means the opposite. Yeah. My portfolio's mooning. Yeah, I hope so. Hopefully, I mean, that was 30 minutes ago. that was 30 plus minutes ago, and not really much of a reaction off that. I mean, the bull run is over. You made me lose my life savings. No, he didn't. You should have set stop losses, or you shouldn't have sold. Yeah, I don't know what else to look at. Good news with Elon earlier, and then he posts that. Bitcoin miners are trying to, what was the tweet earlier? It was with Michael Saylor. Wow, he fears the Doge. There's, it should be right here. Yeah, spoke with North American Bitcoin miners. They committed to publish current and planned renewable usage of energy, and to ask miners WW to do so. Potentially promising, and that's what turned the market around. I hope this is a joke. Like, what is that? Reverse psychology joke. Yeah, 39. We're going up, man. Is this the 4 hour? Cool. 39,250. My hex. Oh, we confirmed a breakout of the falling wedge, and see you at 70 cents. See ya at 70 cents on hex. I can't wait. I'm looking at my other screen. I should get a camera for my big screen so I don't look like I'm staring off, breaking my neck. Cause my camera's on my laptop. Is the music still playing, or did it break again? Let's take a look at totals real quick. Actually, BTC dominance first. Man, this is really, I like the daily on this. Still playing cool. How does BTC dominance gap? The market never closes. There's no way it, what? How can you, I like totals. This is BTC dominance, but it's got a gap, which doesn't happen in a 24/7 market, really. Unlike, by the time this next candle opened, it dropped 1%. I don't get that. But obviously the gap filled, because that's what happens when you have a gap, it fills. But this is starting to remind me of, look here, remember this pattern? Look at this. 2017. The low 35, which this time I think we stopped before that at 40-ish. But 35 was a low in 2017. We came back up, and then this is when the altcoins really did shit, I think. Yeah, like right here-ish, right? Man, am I thinking of this right? Or was it February? Either way, it looks like it's developing a similar pattern here. But it's too early to tell. Let's check the, this is everything excluding Bitcoin, total market cap. Look at that freaking sell-off. 30% in one day, which now actually you're getting bullish divergence. I wish it was hidden bullish divergence, but it's still some divergence if it keeps playing out. See it back at the top of this range here at 1.5-ish trillion, 1.4 trillion. Yeah, nice, massive bullish engulfing candle on the daily yesterday that just closed. Keep this momentum going, that'd be really nice. We could probably get back to 1.4 trillion. Man, that's a real nice bullish engulf on the daily. That's really nice. And the total with Bitcoin, another nice bullish engulf. It almost looks exactly the same on the MACD. I don't know why I have a harmonic drawn on the total market cap, because nobody trades it, but there is a harmonic there if you want to play that. Yeah, because nobody's trading the total market cap, but that's a cipher. That's a bullish cipher on the yeah, a pretty decent one. 786 is what you need down here, and you need a 1.13 up here, or a 1.414. It's close enough to the 1.13, and you need like a 1618 or 1272 to a 1618. No, yeah, there, or no 1382 or 618 right in the middle. So it is a harmonic, pretty cool on the daily, and it tested the PCZ twice. Look at that. That's confirming your low, and now you move up. Harmonics, I love them. I just learned them not long ago, and they changed the game. They really changed the game. But yeah, overall we're looking good on the market. Sol, the one that got away because I got stopped out. Man. Stopped out, boom, and it just reversed and said, see ya at 50 bucks, 60, holy shit. You can probably see Sol getting back into the $40 range here rather quickly, because it had a pretty massive sell-off. 67% as well. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Gold finally broke out of I think it was like a year, August 20, like a like a 10-month correction in gold. Now it's probably going to go back up to 1900, and after that I'll go back to the top of the range at like 2000, probably, maybe 1950 first, and then 2000. Gold's looking great. Silver, if you bought silver like 40 years ago, you're still negative in your trade, so that sucks. But it's trying to go up. Gold's been doing good stuff though. Thanks, Film Agent. Thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, I think we can head out here after this. Just, nice bullish engulf on the total market cap, including Bitcoin. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming to the stream. I hope you like the knowledge I'm sharing and the charts. Yeah. Come back, subscribe, hit the like button, please, and I'll see you guys on the next one.